This is how to start and stop your car. When the approach to unlock function is enabled, the vehicle is automatically unlocked when approached with a key, and the handles automatically pop out. In addition, there are other ways to unlock your car. Get into the car and press the brake pedal. The seat will automatically move to the preset position. Fasten the seat belt. Push the gear selector down to drive position. Release the brake pedal and press the accelerator pedal. Start your journey now. After stopping the vehicle, hold the brake pedal and shift the gear selector into park position. The vehicle stays stationary. Open the driver's door. The driver's seat automatically moves backward to facilitate getting out. When the walk away to lock function is enabled, the vehicle automatically locks when you walk away from the vehicle carrying the key. There are several ways to lock your vehicle. Please note that, with the auto hold function enabled, when the vehicle is stopped, unfastening the seatbelt or opening the driver's door will make your vehicle shift into park automatically. If the auto hold function is not enabled, when the vehicle is stopped, unfastening the seatbelt and opening the driver's door makes the vehicle automatically shift into park.